Hey, yeah. Meta apa ye meta yang meneslang.
Med från
Ren meta
jag
ane kama
förstår
gitu ya.
att du vill benämna för fa hapuela kapenomine. I think the time is very limited. Lan workshop ite run hak tolong mo begin academic mit ka subsidiary. We need to focus on meta based on reform meta potong nitawe. Balu pun hipah value tinenium ada neniar hipo minimum on meta idea si potong share to the communities. Ni panangani ya wagiak potong ni he become solid lan future ahead of time. Well lan area lukus on campus ye verani yani Paulina Irabel. This is the last lesson fan area ye fan maybe in a year area hapcheni and wala bala people arrogantly but develop along on metaka needs about accommodate ni magutugutun sugo. I'm looking forward to Nganya. Also, so excited, really excited. And then Pamo Painar Marine, because hand to hand all together, just like what you said, hand in hand, for the future.